When your YouView box displays the nearly ready message and gets stuck, it means the device is frozen during the final stages of its boot sequence. During this final boot stage, three critical processes are happening. System files are being loaded and verified, network connectivity is being established, and electronic program guide data is being synchronized. Several issues can cause this freeze. The most common causes include corrupted system files from incomplete updates or power interruptions, hard drive problems, network connectivity issues, hardware failures, and firmware corruption. The first troubleshooting step is a power cycle reset. Unplug your YouView box from power for at least 30 seconds. This clears temporary memory and resets internal components. Next, hold the power button on the box while reconnecting the power cable. This ensures a clean restart sequence. Then allow 10 to 15 minutes for the complete boot process. Don't interrupt it during this time. If the power cycle doesn't work, try a network reset. Start by disconnecting your Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi connection during the startup process. Allow the box to boot completely in offline mode. Once it successfully starts up and reaches the main menu, then reconnect your network connection. This bypasses network-related startup issues. These two basic troubleshooting steps, power cycling and network reset, resolve many common causes of the nearly ready freeze. They address temporary system glitches, memory issues, and network connectivity problems that prevent proper startup. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve the nearly ready freeze, we need to move to advanced recovery techniques and implement prevention strategies to avoid future issues. The first advanced technique is accessing your YouView box's recovery mode. This hidden diagnostic menu can often resolve issues that standard resets cannot fix. Once you access the recovery menu, you can perform a factory reset. This comprehensive reset restores your YouView box to its original factory settings, clearing any corrupted data or configuration issues. For persistent issues that survive factory resets, the problem may be with the hard drive itself. You can remove the drive and scan it externally using disk repair utilities to fix bad sectors or corruption. Prevention is always better than cure. To avoid future nearly ready freezes, implement these essential prevention strategies for your YouView box. First, protect your device from power issues. Use surge protectors and consider an uninterruptible power supply or UPS to maintain stable power during outages and prevent corruption during critical operations. Develop proper usage habits. Always use the remote control to power down your YouView box instead of unplugging it. Perform regular software updates during off-peak hours when the system is less busy. Watch for early warning signs that indicate potential problems. Slow menu navigation, frequent recording failures, extended boot times, and intermittent network connectivity issues can all signal developing problems before they cause a complete freeze. These advanced techniques have proven success rates. Factory resets resolve 70 to 75% of persistent nearly ready issues, while hardware replacement achieves over 95% success for the most stubborn cases. By implementing these advanced recovery techniques and prevention strategies, you can effectively resolve nearly ready freezes and significantly reduce the likelihood of future occurrences. Remember that proper maintenance and early intervention are key to keeping your YouView box running smoothly.